our next question is fifth. If cosec A equal to under root 10, then find other 5 trigonometrical ratios. In this question, cosec A is given under root 10. This question can be solved by two methods. First by triangle method and other by identity method. So first of all, we solve it by triangle method. Cosec equal to under by identity method, cosec equal to under root 10, cosec square equal to squaring on both the sides, then you get cosec square equal to 10, and cosec square A is 1 plus cot square A according to third identity. Third identity. 1 plus cot square A equal to 10. Then cot square A equal to 1 transferred towards 10, then you get 9. So cot square A equal to 9. So cot A equal to 3 by taking square root of 9. Therefore value of tan A will become reciprocal of 1 by cot A, so this is 1 by 3. So tan A will be 1 by 3. Now sec square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. This is second identity. So according to second identity, sec square A equal to 1 plus tan square A. So 1 plus value of tan square A is 1 by 9. Square of 1 by 3 is 1 by 9. So 1 plus 1 by 9 equal to, by taking LCM, it will become 10 by 9. So sec A equal to under root 10 by 3. So value of sec A is 10 by 3. And value of cos A equal to this is reciprocal of sec A. So cos A equal to 1 by sec A. So value of 1 by sec A is 1 by root 10 by 3. 3 goes up, so it will become 3 by root 10. Now our next question is 6. If sin A equal to 1 by 3, then evaluate cos A into cosec A plus tan A into sec A. We know that sin A equal to, sin A is the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. So sin A equal to P upon H. In this question, suppose this is angle A, so it means BC will be perpendicular and this is angle B, so it will become hypotenuse. So P upon H equal to 1 by 3. It means actual value of, because of this is a ratio, so actual value will be 1k, perpendicular will be 1k, and hypotenuse will be 3k. Now applying Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to BC square plus AB square. Value of AC is 3k and value of BC is k. So 3k square plus k square equal plus AB square. So 9k square equal to k square plus AB square. So AB square equal to 9k square minus k square. So it will be 8k square. Therefore AB equal to 2 root 2 k. It means AB is this point A. So AB is 2 root 2k. Now value of cosec A into cos A plus tan A into sec A. So cosec A means reciprocal of sin A. So this will be 3k upon k. And value of cos A. Cos A equal to base upon hypotenuse means 2 root 2k upon 3k. And tan A is perpendicular upon base. So tan A means BC upon base. So this is k upon 2 root 2k plus into sec A. Value of sec A is reciprocal of cos A means h upon AB. So 3k upon 2k, k cancel to each other. So this will become 2 root 2 upon 3 cancel to the k, 2 root 2 plus, this is not 3, 2 root 2 plus, and this 2 root 2 8 and this 3 upon 8. So this is your required answer. Next. This is not. Next, question number 7. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at C, if tan A equal to 1, then verify that twice sin A into cos A equal to 1. Tan A equal to 1, squaring on both sides, then we get tan square A equal to 1. Adding 1 on both sides, so 1 plus tan square A equal to 1 plus 1. 1 plus tan square A will become sec square A by second identity, by using second identity, because of 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square A. So sec square A equal to 2. Sec square A is reciprocal of cos A, so it means cos square A, so 1 upon cos square A equal to 2. It means cos square A equal to 1 by 2. Now using first identity, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Now putting the value of cos square A in the identity, so 1 by 2 plus sin square A equal to 1. So sin square A equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, so it will become 1 by 2. Sin A equal to sin square A equal to 1 by 2, therefore sin A equal to 1 by root 2, because of square root of 1 by 2 is 1 by root 2. Now value of twice sin A into cos A, this is my question. So value of sin A is 1 by root 2, putting here, and value of cos A is again 1 by root 2. So 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. Root 2 will become 2, and 1 multiply 1, 1. So 2 cancel 2 each other, so it will become